Contractor grade. Here we have a contractor grade 7x16 down-to-earth dump trailer. Now down-to-earth adds the 8,000-pound axles on this model, all bath hubs. You've got the heavy-duty tread plate fenders on all down-to-earth trailers. You get the two-way opening gates. They add the stabilizer jacks right there because this model also comes with the ramps. You've got ramps to load up your equipment on here, but the gate will open two ways. You've got a barn door style gate as well as a scissor lift style gate. You've got stake pockets and tarp hooks running the full length down the trailer, as well as 4 D-rings for tying down to in the bed of the trailer. Now most down-to-earth model trailers, including this one, comes with a tarp already installed. You have a spare tire mount there on the side, so we can add a spare tire mount to it as well. You've got a heavy-duty twin-cylinder lift system on this one. Down to Earth also uses a powder-coated paint finish, so you've got a tough exterior finish on the outside of the trailer. Makes it great for keeping those rocks, dirt, and everything from scratching the paint. You've got a power-up, power-let-down pump tucked away nicely in a lockable toolbox, and a onboard battery charger on here. You've got a remote with an extremely long cord. It's magnetic. You can hook it anywhere on the trailer. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia. 478-654-5350.